Is Apple really working on its slimmest iPhone ever? That's what a new leak suggests, and it's got a lot of people talking. A recent hands-on video revealed dummy models of the upcoming iPhone 17 lineup, and the one catching everyone's attention is the iPhone 17 Air. It's extremely thin, thinner than any iPhone we've seen so far, and it's making people curious, excited, and even a little worried. The video, posted by Sam Cole from Apple Track, shows dummy units for all expected models: iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max, and the iPhone 17 Air. These aren't just rough plastic molds. The dummies have painted camera sections and a smooth finish that looks closer to a real phone than previous leaks. It gives us a good sense of what these devices might look like once they launch. Let's start with a regular iPhone 17. Based on the dummy, it looks almost identical to the iPhone 16. There are no major design changes, same flat frame, similar size, and the classic iPhone look. So if you like the usual iPhone feel and want something simple, the base model might still be the best choice. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, though, look a bit different. The dummy shows that Apple could be moving to a new rear camera layout, a horizontal bar instead of the usual square or rectangular island. If that sounds familiar, it's because Google uses something similar on their Pixel phones. But Apple's version appears cleaner, more refined, and fits better with the rest of the phone's design. It feels like Apple is making changes without losing its style. Now comes the most talked about one, the iPhone 17 Air. This dummy shows a phone that's seriously thin. According to leaks, it could be just 5.6 millimeters thick at its slimmest point. That's almost half the thickness of the current Pro model. If that turns out to be true, it could be one of the slimmest premium phones on the market. But when a phone gets this thin, some important questions come up. The first one is about battery life. A thinner body usually means a smaller battery, and with so many features running on today's smartphones, especially AI tasks that run directly on the device, that could be a problem. Earlier leaks did mention a small battery in the Air, which made a lot of people skeptical, but more recent reports say Apple may have found a solution. We don't know how yet, but it's possible they're using a new battery type or rearranging parts inside the phone to save space. Another thing people are asking about is how durable this phone will be. In the hands-on video, there was a small bend in the dummy unit. Now it might just be the material used in that particular model, but it raises a valid concern. Thin phones in the past have sometimes had issues with bending or being less sturdy. Apple is usually careful about build quality, so they're probably testing ways to make the iPhone 17 Air strong enough to handle daily use. Apple won't be the only company with a slim phone this year. Samsung is expected to launch its Galaxy S25 Edge, which is also going to be very thin and stylish. The two phones could